Welcome to this video where I'll guide you through getting travel insurance from GeoBlue Travel Insurance. If you're planning a trip abroad, travel insurance is essential to cover any unforeseen events, from medical emergencies to trip cancellations. In this tutorial, I'll take you step by step through the process of purchasing insurance from GeoBlue, one of the leading travel insurance providers. GeoBlue Travel Insurance is known for offering a range of policies to fit the needs of any traveler, whether you're traveling alone, with family, or on business. One of the best features of GeoBlue is its comprehensive health insurance coverage, which is designed specifically for international travelers. This ensures that no matter where you are, you have access to top-notch medical services. First, we'll start on the homepage of GeoBlue Travel Insurance, where you can find different insurance plan options. I'll walk you through how to compare these plans based on your specific needs, whether it's trip cancellation coverage, medical evacuation, or simply peace of mind while traveling. You'll see how to input your travel dates, destination, and personal information to get an accurate quote. As we proceed, I'll explain some of the advantages of using GeoBlue Travel Insurance, like their partnership with a large network of medical professionals worldwide and the ease of filing a claim online. However, like any service, there are some downsides, such as certain limitations in coverage that you should be aware of, which we'll discuss briefly. If you're looking for an alternative, I also recommend checking out Ecta Traveling, which provides another reliable option for travel insurance, offering similar coverage and user-friendly services. You can explore it through the link in the description below. Now, let's continue with the GeoBlue purchase process, where I'll show you how to review your selected plan's cost, compare coverage details, and finalize your insurance purchase. You'll also see the different payment options available, ensuring you can secure your insurance quickly and efficiently. If you're ready to buy your travel insurance, make sure to use the link provided in the description, which will take you directly to Ecta Traveling's platform for an easy and seamless experience. That's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more travel tips and tutorials.